Good morning, students. Today I am going to describe a new poem, The Quarrel, that is taken from your literature book from Honeysuckle. So, it is very interesting poem in which you will be told about the quarrel between brothers and sisters. Actually, it is common for brothers and sisters, or you may say that siblings, who always fight with each other. So it is written here also, it is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. But how long do such quarrel last? How do they end? So it is very common things that two siblings who are living in the same house, they sometimes they start to quarrel, and even they do not know what is the main cause or what is they are fighting for, but they immediately start quarreling, and by the end of the day this quarrel soon gets over and इट डजेंट लॉन्ग लास्ट. ओके, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि जब भाई बहन जो घर में रहते हैं, जो रियल ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर होते हैं, दे ऑफन फाइट ईच अदर, और कई बार उन्हें नहीं पता होता है कि वो क्यों लड़ रहे हैं, उनकी लड़ाई का रीज़न क्या है, उनके झगड़े का रीज़न क्या है. लेकिन झगड़ा शुरू हो जाता है और सून दिस क्वेरल एंड्स अप, और जल्दी ये झगड़ा ख़त्म भी हो जाता है और वो सारी बातें भूल जाते हैं. एंड अगेन दे गेट दैट इंटीमेसी विच दे हैव बिफोर देयर क्वेरल. सो आई क्वेरल विद माई ब्रदर, आई डू नॉट नो वॉट अबाउट, वन थिंग लेड टू अनदर एंड somehow we fell out. The start of it was sly, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another, the afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So basically this poem is written by the poetess Eleanor Fairzohn, and one day she had a quarrel with her brother. So she was saying, she says, I quarreled with my brother. कि one day she had quarrel with her brother. I do not know what about. She even did not know what is the reason of this quarrel, कि why she was fighting or why they both were fighting, but quarrel had been started. One thing led to another. As quarrel had started, so after one thing another thing happened, and somehow we fell out. So एक के बाद एक आगे बातें बढ़ती चली गईं, and this quarrel took up the shape of a big fight. The start of it was slight, though starting was very small. They had started with a small thing, with a small talk, but gradually it turned into a big fight. The end of it was strong. It means that the end of it was strong, यानी कि वो जो लड़ाई, जो झगड़ा चल रहा था, वो बढ़ते बढ़ते इतना बढ़ गया कि उसने बहुत बड़ी लड़ाई का रूप ले लिया. He said he was right. So her brother was saying that he is absolutely right. He had done no mistake. I knew he was wrong, but according to poetess, he was wrong. But brother was not ready to accept this thing that he was wrong. So things couldn't sort out. We hated one another. For some time they started to hate each other. Afternoon turned black, and by the afternoon they both were hating each other a lot. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Morning is that quarrel started in the morning. Now afternoon has passed, and it also got worse because of this quarrel, which has been turned into bad thing. Now, suddenly, her brother came to the poetess, thumped me on the back. Thumped me on the back means he uh, patted on her back, on the back of the poetess. तो जो भाई है वो पोएटिस के पास आते हैं और उनको पीठ पर थपकी देते हैं. एंड सैड ओ कम अलोंग. एंड ही सैड मतलब इनिशियल वॉज टेकन बाय हिम एंड ही वॉज सेइंग कि चलो छोड़ो, सब बातें छोड़ देते हैं, लेट अस फिनिश ऑल द थिंग्स. वी कांट गो ऑन ऑल नाइट कि ऐसे हमारी सुबह चली गई, ऐसे हमारी दोपहर चली गई कि अब हम ऐसे पूरा दिन थोड़ी ना निकाल सकते हैं. वी कैन नॉट गो इन दिस वे whole night. I was in the wrong. I am accepting my mistake that I am wrong. So he was in the right. अब जब उसने अपनी गलती accept कर ली, it means that he has accepted me that I am right. So at this, poetess became happy, and now all the quarrels, all the bitterness between them has washed away. Now they have patched up. Okay.